Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Desti Elianti, student ID 1H13023027 from class 5H. I will present about review of chemistry journal. Title: Isolation and Identification of Hydrocarbon Degradation Bacteria and Phosphate Solubilizing Bacteria in Oil Contaminated Soil in Bojonegoro, East Java, Indonesia. The reason why I choose this journal, because I can use this journal as a reference when researching. There are many uses of hydrocarbon in fuel, petroleum, and much more. In addition, this journal also discusses hydrocarbon breakdown bacteria in oil contaminated soil and discuss how to isolate and identify this hydrocarbon breakdown bacteria. Here I will review something about this journal, namely structure review, content review, purpose, method, result, conclusion, and last conclusion and my suggestion. Structure review consists of title, authors, abstract, keyword, introduction, method, result, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, reference, and appendices. Title of the journal: Isolation and Identification of Hydrocarbon Degradation Bacteria and Phosphate Solubilizing Bacteria in Oil Contaminated Soil in Bojonegoro, East Java, Indonesia. Authors: Yunisri Rahayu, Yuliani, Guntur Trimulyo, from Department of Biology, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Surabaya, Indonesia. Keyword: hydrocarbon degradation bacteria, phosphate solubilizing bacteria, oil contaminated soil, Bojonegoro. Abstract. This is abstract. Petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbon complex with organic compound from sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, and metal containing compound. These organic compounds can be used as substrate for bacterial growth. This study aimed to isolate and identify hydrocarbon degrading bacteria and phosphate solubilizing bacteria in oil contaminated soil in Bojonegoro. This study used an exploration method to find each of two types of hydrocarbon degrading bacteria and phosphate solubilizing bacteria from soil sample in Bojonegoro that's contaminated by oil. Identification is isolate bacteria include macroscopic observation of bacteria, gram staining on bacteria cell, and physiological test. Macroscopic observation include the from colonies diameter, colonies color, colonies age, and elevation. The physical test using microbat identification system to determine the physiological characteristic of bacteria so that genera and types of bacteria can be known. That identification of organism was based on change in pH and use the substrate. Next, introduction. Introduction consists of hydrocarbon complex with organic compound such as sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, and metal element which include CD, Al, As, Hg, Ni, Cr, Cu, Pb, Zn, Se, and some radionuclides. The main material contained in petroleum as paraffin hydrocarbon compound, saturated alkylic hydrocarbon, and aromatic hydrocarbon that are carcinogenic and organic pollutants. Petroleum can be categorized into four classes, namely aromatic, saturated, aliphatic, fatty acid, phenol, ester, ketone, and porphyrin. And range quinolene, paraxidine, carbazole, amide, and sulfoxide, the hydrocarbon types and class influence that's from of the petroleum biodegradation. Next, material and methods. The initial stage of this research was carried out exploratively, which aimed to find proposed solubilizing and hydrocarbonation bacteria in oil concentration in Bojonegoro. The study was carried out by isolating bacteria and several points in soil sampling. All bacteria that have been isolated are then identified. The tools used in this study include sample bottles, incubator, refrigerator, analytic balance, glass like microscope, spirit lamps, alarm cups, measuring cups, and Landmeyer bottle, petri dishes, tap tubes, test tube rack, pipettes, stirring rods, needle use, glass object, pH meter, thermometer. The material used in this study were soil sample taken from oil control, KNA media or nutrient agar broad, gram staining. Material consists of violet crystal, iodine, ethyl alcohol, 95%, safranin. Result: soil sample used determine the chemical properties of oil contaminated soil were taken from the area around modern oil mining and traditional oil mining in Wonosolo, Beji, and Harjomulyo village, Kawedan district, Bojonegoro Regency. The result of analysis of soil sample on the chemical properties obtained as shown in Table 1. This is a Table 1. Discussion. Based on the data in Table 1 show that the TPH content on oil polluted soil used in this study is 41 200 mg per kilogram, while soil N and K levels including low which available P level on the soil are in the very low categories. Meanwhile, sea levels are very high, so and the C or N ratio obtained is also very high. The condition of oil contaminated soil is in accordance with the properties found in petroleum, which is a mixture of hydrocarbon complex with organic compounds from oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and metal elements, especially iron, nickel, and copper. The main material contained petroleum are aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds, aromatic hydrocarbon, and alkylic hydrocarbon. In addition, petroleum also contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, and other elements that have varied physical and physical properties. Conclusion: the bacterial isolates that were successfully isolated and identified in oil contaminated soil were 5 bacterial isolates. However, out of the 5 bacterial isolates, there were two bacteria that had the same species, namely Pseudomonas pseudomallei. Moreover, in this study, 4 species of bacteria were isolated and identified, namely Pseudomonas pseudomallei, Pseudomonas fluorescens 25, Flavobacterium odoratum, and Enterococcus sp. These bacteria are bacteria that have the ability to dissolve phosphate and simultaneously degrade hydrocarbon. Acknowledgement, not known. This is reference. Appendices. Next, content review. First, purpose. The author wrote this journal with the aim of this study to isolate and identify bacteria decomposing hydrocarbon and phosphate solubilizing bacteria in oil contaminated soil in Bojonegoro. This study used an exploratory method to find each of the two types of hydrocarbon degrading bacteria and phosphate solubilizing bacteria from soil sample in Bojonegoro contaminated with oil. Second method, the research was conducted in an exploratory manner with the aim of finding bacteria that dissolve phosphate and decompose hydrocarbon in oil contaminated soil in Bojonegoro. The research was conducted by isolating bacteria and several soil sampling points. All bacteria that have been isolated are then identified. Result: the result of analysis of soil sample, their chemical properties are obtained as in table 1. Conclusion: 5 bacteria isolates were isolated and identified on oil contaminated soil. However, from the 5 bacteria isolated, there are 2 bacteria that have that same species, namely Pseudomonas pseudomallei. Moreover, in this study, 4 bacterial species were isolated and identified, namely Pseudomonas pseudomallei, Pseudomonas fluorescens 25, Flavobacterium odoratum, and Enterococcus sp. These bacteria are bacteria that have the ability to as well as degrade hydrocarbon. Conclusion and my suggestion. My suggestion for author of journal is the journal should be given an attachment that include some activities carried out is risk and also difficult in the conducting research. Then as a comparison using other chemical that can be used in this risk beside phosphate.